restoration. Here we have a Jaguar E-Type steering wheel. Now this is a Series 1 steering wheel. You can see it has the aluminium showing on the inner edge of the rim there. In relatively sound order, a few splits here, but nothing terrible. The aluminium's a bit corroded though, so we're going to have to linish that back and re-polish the aluminium. We're going to prepare the wood and mend these splits and things in it, and then re-lacquer it. That's Jaguar E-Type Series 1 steering wheel. Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a Jaguar E-Type steering wheel. This is a Series 1 E-Type steering wheel. Very blonde wood, as you can see, very light. It's got the aluminium edge on the inner edge of the rim, and it's got the 4-finger grip configuration on the back. And we've polished the aluminium on this, repaired a few splits and scars in the rim, and re-lacquered it. But that's a Jaguar E-Type Series 1, dates from the early 1960s.